3 strategies for finding new writing clients. If you're going to get paid to write, the most important component is obviously going to be finding clients who will pay you for your writing. There are a number of ways you can do this, some more effective than others. In this article, we're going to look at 3 of the best strategies for finding new clients. Networking. Probably the single most effective way to find new clients is to do some networking with the people most likely to be looking for writing. In other words, you want to get to know those other internet marketers who are going to be looking for content. You can do this through several venues: Facebook, Twitter, and in-person networking at seminars, conferences, and other events. Make it known that you provide writing services, and you can even offer a discount on an initial order to test your ability. Forums. This is really just another form of networking, but you can offer your services through forums as well. But don't just join a forum and start promoting yourself right away. Spend some time getting to be known on the forum, and you can even showcase your writing skills a bit by being active in posts on the forum. Once you've built a bit of a reputation on the forum, you can add a link in your signature to your website where you can offer writing samples and pricing information. You might even be able to post offers right on the forum in some cases. Many forums, particularly in the internet marketing niche, have sections where you can post your services for hire, including writing. Email list. If you have an email list in the internet marketing niche, you can run a promotion to your list offering your writing services. If you've been sending them email on a regular basis and maybe even written some reports or eBooks that you've sent them, you already have somewhat of a portfolio built up with those people. Provided that what you've sent them is high quality, you'll already have overcome one of the biggest objections of potential clients. They already know the quality of your work. The advantage of these 3 strategies for finding writing clients is that they are all working with a warm market. In other words, people with whom you have a relationship of some sort. This makes it much easier to sell them on working with you.